Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your boy Krebsy Crypto, and for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my newest mining rig I have set up. I know it's been some time since I've posted a video, but I will be making a channel update video to kind of give you guys a update on everything and what's going on with my channel and my content and things of the sort. But over the last month or so that I've been away from YouTube, I have built up myself a full rig here. So as you see, these are strictly mining cards. So if we look here, they have no video outputs or anything like that. They're just straight up just for mining themselves. And I believe these ones are the nvidia P106-100 or 105 or something like that. I'll have an exact thing once I pull up hiveos and all that. But I'm not running these currently just due to the heat and stuff. I gotta get my AC and stuff and some more ventilation set up. But we'll be up and rolling with both of my rigs. But the main focus of this video is unboxing my newest one. I bought a 1300 watt power supply to go along with it, as well as another 5 of those graphics cards over there. So we are all set up, and I bought this from an eBay seller. Same with those ones, it's the same seller. So I got a pretty good deal. That's why I've changed routes. I also got a 1660 Ti, or sorry, a 1660. So a GTX, as you see there, I picked that up in the past month. So I've been running it like this, but I want something more to fill these boards. But I also needed a power supply. So I was like, why not pick up another 5 of these cards? Because they pull in about 95 cents a day on RavenCoin. But I'm burning a good chunk in hydro. I'm losing about, 40, 50 cents a day Canadian running this rig. So I'll be losing close to $1 a day. But that's besides the point because I hang on to my crypto. I pay for hydro with my actual bills and stuff. I don't sell this crypto. But anyways, before we lose focus again, I'm going to start unboxing this so we can take a look at this power supply and all these graphics cards. Sorry for rambling on. It's just been a while since I've made a video, so I kind of want to give you guys a quick update before my full channel update. Alright, here, so let's get started here. We're just going to kind of take off some of this bubble wrap. We'll just kind of throw it aside here. So as we see, we obviously have the multiple GPU ports and everything like that. I forget how much this one can actually run. I believe it's probably about 6 or 7 GPUs. I assume it's probably similar to my 1300 watt over there. But, oh, sorry for that. We'll try to pull this out first here. I'm using one hand, so kind of bear with me. So as we see here, kind of turn it so we can see. I paid the original asking price that he had, which was $85, but I got the graphics cards for cheaper. I've been picking up 5 of these GPUs for about $100 each, or $100 in total for 5, so about $20, $25 each, something in that ballpark, and that's Canadian. And like I said, GPUs are kind of cheap price right now, so it's good to pick some up. I'm more or less buying these, so if crypto does take off again in the future, then we will be good to go, and we'll have a full setup going. But we'll just pull this bad boy out right here. As we see, all these multiple GPU ports and everything. I'm going to have to get this set up because it's going with that motherboard over there with the 2 graphics cards. So we will just bring this over here. Set that there for now. But yeah, this setup is going to be going to this one here. And then I'm going to figure out what to do with my 1660 and my 1650. But we'll work with that. But as we see, it's a Pangu 1300 watt. It's meant for Bitcoin mining and everything. We've seen some of the specs. But the big part is these GPUs. And as we see, this seller does do a really good job shipping. Everything came working. Everything comes secured as you see. He even puts styrofoam in between the graphics cards. So we'll go set these right on the table here, just so we don't drop them and kind of get a little bit of a better view, per se. So as we see here, it's the exact same ones as the ones I have set up and going over here. Try and do my best with lighting. Oh, we'll get it to focus. I don't know why it's being a pain. There we go. But as we see, the exact similar ones. I'm going to cut these open, and then we'll kind of just take a look at one, and we can kind of just diagnose it and see it for itself. I'm just going to pause the video and cut this open, and we'll go from there. So as we see, we have a stack of 5 here. And this is, I just cut the plastic off here, but as we see, as we move it, he does put cardboard and such in between, so it is a good, secure way to ship it. I'm just going to set that there for now. And it just makes it a little nicer, but yeah, as we see, we'll hold one up so you guys kind of take a solid look at it here. I'll try to focus on that, set it down here. See if my camera, it's not bright enough. So I'd stand to the side here. So as we see there's some of the information for anyone wondering. Because there is some on the back here, so we'll take a look at the exact model so you guys can see. Hopefully stack will balance. So as we see, it's the P106-100 and it's the 6GB model. And it's GDDR5, so these are all 6GB models, so I have a full like 6GB setup. Instead of running, like 3GB cards, 4GB cards, I still have the 4GB over here and my 1063GB. I'm going to decide what to do with all that once I get this one up and running and seeing how much this burns and how much it's going to cost me and my earnings and such, and then I'm going to decide to either build on a third rig or sell some of these off and make a little bit of money back. But we will decide on that. But yeah, overall, I have used these cards. I've been mining recently, but the last couple of days it's just been super, super warm. So I haven't really been mining, but I've mainly been mining for ravencoin, and then I convert it to like Litecoin or whatever I do want to use. But mainly these cards are good for ravencoin, and you can do Ethereum Classic on them even. There's a few different algorithms that do run pretty well on these cards. It doesn't consume too much power running all these graphics cards. I believe between all 5 of these with my settings I have on hiveos, I'm burning close to maybe 450 to 500 watts. And with my total rig running maybe about 650 watts. So nothing crazy, mind you, I have things turned down and all that, just to conserve a little bit of heat, because mind you, I am in an apartment building, so I can't go crazy with my whole setup on like getting the heat pushed out and stuff like that. I can do some modifications, but nothing crazy, but I will be looking into that. I'm kind of just buying a lot of these rigs. I want to get more of these. I just kind of want to do this little bit of unboxing and kind of catch up with you guys and tell you guys what's been going on. I haven't stopped mining. I've been expanding my mining. I've been buying more GPUs. As you see, getting a nicer setup. I got to do a little bit more cleanup. But we will have another mining frame coming in for this rig and a few other things. We will have more rigs up and running, and I will be bringing out more and more content. But yeah, I just wanted to, like I said, bring this video for you guys to show you what is going on. But on that note, that's all I got for you guys today. If you did enjoy this video, make sure that like and subscribe button, as it lets me know you're all enjoying my content. I will be bringing more of it, but I hope you all have an amazing day. And this is Krebsy Crypto signing out. So I'm just filming this after I edited and like everything, got the rig set up. So if you guys did stay for after like the actual like see you guys later or whatever, thumbs up to you, because you're seeing this fully set up the first time before other people, before my first main video. But as we see, I got the stack all cleared up. I took those other 2 graphics cards, the 1660 and the 1650 off, and I put all my 6GB P106 nvidia cards up here. I haven't powered it on, but I got everything hooked up. I do have a few spare GPU power cables left, so I should be able to fit another 2 cards. 3, because I have another 3rd slot. So I might pick up another 3 cards for another good price, add them to the rig and see how she handles. But for now, we'll run it just like that. So as we see, soon enough, once I clear it up and get like a power situation sorted here, I will have the rig side by side, kind of like a full desk setup here. As we see, if we stand back, it's just going to be full of rigs, and then eventually add more and more. But yeah, I just wanted to keep it quick here as a quick editor's note, but just wanted to show you guys here this quick setup here. But yeah, this is officially it for the video. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. This is Krebsy Crypto signing out.